Continuing from last time, let's start assembling the computer with this super versatile case. The creativity allowed here is extremely high. First, install the copper standoffs for securing the motherboard. This time, let's use the low-end configuration to practice. Oops, something went wrong. The motherboard is a bit too long. Although it could be easily solved by using a taller case, I've decided to go with another solution. Aligning it at the top works too. The 120mm radiator seems to be a bit stuck. Let's secure the motherboard first. The radiator issue will definitely be sorted out. It's rock solid. For now, let's leave the radiator here and move on to installing the power supply. As I expected, it gets stuck here. Push it up, and it's stuck again. We'll leave it temporarily fixed like this. Radiator sorted. Okay. Next, the graphics card. Then, the wireless Wi-Fi adapter. Connect the power cables. Two hard drives. Are fixed below the power supply at the front panel. Power switch. Let's leave it temporarily like this. Adjustments will be made during later modifications. All done. I didn't expect it to power up on the first try. My first attempt at building a computer was relatively easy, although there are still some adjustments needed. The next episode will be about sealing and adjusting the case. Such a fun case. If you have any ideas, I can try to help you bring them to life.